Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for a very warm reception. It was 144 years ago since the members of the Democratic Party first met to convince the presidential candidate. Since that time, the Democrats have continued to convene and once every 4 years to draft the party platform and nominate the presidential candidate. Our meeting this week is a continuation of that tradition. But there's something different about tonight. There's something special about tonight. What is different and what is special? A lot of years passed since 1832. It has been the most unusual for any national political party to ask a Babara Jordan to deliver a keynote address. But tonight, here I am, and I feel notwithstanding is past, and present here is a little addiction and a bit evidence that the American dream need not forever be deferred. Now I have this grand distinction. What in the world am I supposed to say? I could praise the accomplishment or attacking the Republicans, but I don't choose to do that. I could easily list the problem which American people have. I could list the problem which causes American people feel cynical, angry, and frustrated. The problem which the lack of integrity of government, or the individual no longer counts, or the material or spiritual poverty, and the grand American experience is failing or has failed. I could recite this problem and sit back and offer no solution, but I don't choose to do that either. The American citizens expect more, and they deserve more than the recite of the problems. No. We are a people in a quandary about our future. We are a people in search of our life. We are a people in search about a national community, and we have to. We are a people trying not only solve the problem of the present, the employment or inflation, but we are attempting our large scale to fulfill the promise of America. But we are attempting to fulfill a national purpose to create and sustain while all of us are equal. And now we must look out to the future. Let hear the voice of the people and recognize the common sense. If we do not, we're not only blaming our political heritage, but also we ignore the common ties that bind all Americans.